Hi guys, how are you doing today? Today we're going to make some numbers. Okay, we need some colorful papers, compass, scissors, glue, some markers, and ice cream sticks. Okay, pick up your compass and draw a beautiful circle on this blue paper. Let's see how it goes. Now do it for the other papers. Let's see how it goes. 3 papers, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now, put down your compass and pick up your scissors. We want to cut down all the circles. Let's see how it goes. Now we do it for the other papers. 2 circles, 3 circles, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, now we want to write each number on these pieces of paper. Let's see how we should write each number. We begin with number 1. You start from top to the bottom. Okay. Let's go to number 2. Number 2 is purple. Did you see how I went down? Number 3. Oh, it's red. Let's see. You draw 2 half circles. Number 4. You go down to the right and up, down. Next one. What color is the next one? Number 5 is green. Okay. Did you see how I wrote it? It has a big tummy in it. Next one, number 6. It's dark blue. Oh, it's really easy. Okay. Number 7 is brown. To the right and to the down. Right, down. Number 8. Number 8 is yellow. This is the infinity. Okay. Number 9 is light purple. Okay. And number 10 is orange. 1 and 0 makes 10. Okay. Put down your marker and pick up your glue. We want to stick them together. Let's see. 3, 4, 9, 2, 7, 5, 1, 6, and 8. Okay, it's playtime. We want to order them. First, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.